Welcome. In this guide, we'll show you how to add a temporarily closed status to your Facebook page. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Facebook app and log into your account to begin the process. Step 2. Tap the menu icon, usually 3 horizontal lines, then scroll down and select Pages from the options. Step 3. To switch to your page, tap the down arrow next to your profile photo at the top and choose the specific page you want to switch to. Step 4. Once you're on your page, tap your page's profile picture to access the editing options. Step 5. Look for the edit icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on it to make changes. Step 6. Scroll down the options until you find Detail, then tap on Edit next to it. Step 7. Now, let's add the necessary information. Tap on Add Hours to proceed. Step 8. From the available options, select Hours to specify the operating hours for your page. Step 9. To indicate that your page is temporarily closed, select this option from the menu. Step 10. Once you've selected Temporarily Closed, don't forget to save your changes by tapping on the Save button. Congratulations! You've successfully added a temporarily closed status to your Facebook page. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips.